could find some good stuff.
That's right.
You want me to leave them here, or?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Ooh, look at this N scale stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at this. Wow. This is amazing. Ooh, look! Right here. Ooh, this looks like some good stuff right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check it out. Let's look through it. You wanna look through it with me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Dummy. It's a dummy. Oh, there's a good price. Right there.
Yeah, $10.
No, this was 15.
Oh, okay.
Let's see any other ones.
Ooh, I like that one.
That one's only 15.
I see.
See? They're pretty good. The ones, yeah. Let's see if we can find something else. Ooh, I just saw something good.
Yeah.
I saw something good. Oh no, that one's too expensive. There's something cool. Don't see that every day.
Ooh, I like that one.
It's 1776. $5 locomotive.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be good. New York Central.
Okay. We can just do these two, okay, buddy?
Okay, let me look at some other ones.
Anything in those boxes needs repair of some kind or
Yeah,
another.
no.
It's
just-
okay.
Just so you know.
Yes, thank you.
Ooh! Baltimore.
So these won't run, but you can take them apart and like play with them and stuff like that.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna look through them to see what's interesting, right? These seem interesting. There's some dummy engines, too. We got a nice CN right here. We got a nice CN. Nice Burlington right here. Ooh, Mama. Daddy,
Yeah.
know the engine that we just picked up in there? There's that one, but it's missing a truck. I'm just looking through these to see what's interesting, right?
Yeah.
We have an Erie. Let's look at the bottom level too. Ready? Look at that. Ooh,
Chassis system.
chassis system. Ooh, those are cool, right?
You like that one? Out of those three, which one do you like the best?
I would have to say maybe this.
You like that one the best?
Yeah.
Okay, then if you had to pick number two, what would number two be? Out of those three.
Your Burlington. Burlington.
Okay, so we'll put that one back then. Okay?
This is a good video. I think those would be good choices, right?
Yep.
Look, we're getting two. No, this one's cool too.
Mm-hmm.
Also have a New York Central.
Ooh, that's kind of cool too, huh?
Yeah.
How much are those?
They're like $15.
Depends. They're like $10 and $15.
But they don't.
We might have to visit
Correct.
here again.
Oh, we're gonna.
Maybe get some more stuff out of here. Right?
Yep.
Also, look. Look at this. A diamond. Another diamond.
10 and
Wow, they have a Bowser, and it's look at it's this is crazy. Oh, Nana's over here. Nana.
Yeah.
We're getting 2 engines. We're getting 2 engines.
Oh, wow.
A mark set.
That was before World War II.
Oh, look at all these. There's cars.
We can come back another time, buddy.
Okay. You can't buy out the whole store, buddy.
Yeah. A lot of missing parts, but oh, this one's good right there. There's some nice gondolas.
Oh, buddy, look at this Amtrak one.
Amtrak, right there.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
At 40ph. Look how many Conrails, even weathered one. And as you see, I'm just going to look over here to see. I know. That's, no. Whoa! They even have a shunter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
maybe when we come back again, it'll be there.
Yeah, I just found another good one. I just saw another good one.
Look at this one. This is a long Walters Amtrak.
I know. And also, you know what I just saw that was really cool? Next time we come here, we're definitely going to have to get this.
Okay.
Like, look at that. That is just amazing. That locomotive. That, I think next time we come here, we're definitely getting that. Buddy. Next time we come here, I know what I want to get.
What?
I'll show you it. It's this one.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't it seem good? Mm-hmm. There's a lot of Santa Fe ones. Even a junky Psycho.
Alright, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
That
What do you
completes
say
our
to Grandpa?
eighth birthday.
Thank you.
Mm.